Welcome you all to this Life Master Club for young people. It's very heartbreaking when you hear that somebody has committed suicide because of depression as they are not able to make it big in their career. Very often in our quest to make it big in our career, we lose our identity. Our identity is like our fingerprint. It's special. You are unique. Each one of us are unique in our own way. In the quest to achieve success, we lose our identity. And many people, those who have achieved success, if you look into it, they have finished or they have put an end to their life by committing suicide, even though they are very successful. The reason is they have lost their identity. Identity is your powerhouse. Identity is the powerhouse of you to take to the successful achievement with happiness, joy forever. Take this fingers in your hand. Each finger is different. Each finger has its own identity. For instance, if each finger thinks that I would like to be like the other finger, or this finger thinks like I would like to be the other finger, what will happen? Each one changes their identity and starts exhibiting the characters of other identity of the other fingers. What is the message it will signify? For instance, when I say this, what is this thumbs up? Thumbs up has got a different meaning to you. But when I say like this has got a different meaning to it. The identity of this finger is different from that of this finger. It doesn't mean that this finger is superior or this finger is inferior. All fingers are important. There is a place for all the fingers in your hand. Likewise, there is place for each one of us in this world. And that's the reason we are here. There is no reason why we must lose our identity in order to be like somebody else. See, we can be inspired by somebody, we can aspire to become like someone to achieve something, but we should never lose our identity. Know that white light is made up of 7 colors. Now, the intensity or the color of the light which we see, whether it is violet, blue, indigo, red, green, or whatever it is, it depends upon the wavelength of that particular color. Likewise, each of us have their own wavelength which will be exhibited in our identity. There is no point in trying to be like somebody. When a particular color is being taken and it's reflected, you see that particular color. For instance, when you have a material which is of a blue and you have a blue light flashing on it, then it will reflect that color. In case you tend to flash a red color onto it, you will not see the blue color, you will only see a black color. This is what happens when you try to change your identity. Do not change your identity. See, there is nothing big or small. No profession is big or no profession is small. As long as you do the best in whatever you are doing it. You don't have to feel inferior to anybody. For instance, you don't have to worry about the way you look, the color of your hair, the color of your face, how you're dressed, all these things. As long as you're presentable, it's fine. You never have to feel, okay, he is got with abundance of money, I don't have with money. No, these are all when you keep on comparing with all these things, that's when you get into a state of depression. You got to come out of it. See, for instance, all these 5 fingers make your hand. Let's assume or let's suppose a case where all the fingers are your thumb. How does it look? Will it look good? Or all your fingers are only your index finger or your middle finger. How does it look? It will not look like. Likewise, never try to be like somebody. If everybody wants to become a superstar, then what will happen? Who will be there to watch him? Or if everybody wants to become a music director, who's there to listen to the music? So, there is a purpose for each one of us to be in this particular planet. We have to identify the reason why we are here. What is our identity? What we are going to do in it? For instance, I'll just give you a small example. Tabla. Tabla is an instrument which is usually an accompanying instrument when people sing or for other musical concerts. But somebody can make tabla expertise in that particular thing, and they can make their name known for tabla. Zakir Hussain. Kadri Gopal Nath is known for his saxophone. He is an excellent saxophonist. Now, he has marked his name for flute in the hands of Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia will create miracles. Violin in the hands of Kunagudi Vaidyanathan will speak like how we are speaking a language. The violin will speak. Veena Gayatri, known for her performance right from her childhood days in Veena. Now, all these people, they never said that, okay, we only wanted to be a music director and things like that, and feel, oh no, I have not become like Ilayaraja, or we have not become like M.S. Viswanathan, or we have not become like A.R. Rahman. But they have identified themselves. They knew their identity. They knew their strength. Knowing their strength, they focused on it. They created something for them on their own. Talking about looks, you don't have to be really a superhero or very attractive person to be in the film industry. Why I'm saying this is because recently I met a person who was very depressed as he was not able to make it very big in the film industry because he didn't have the looks of a big star. Now I told him, you don't have to have the looks of a big star, because movie is not only with the stars. Movie is composed of all the other people as such. And history we have seen, till today we have seen there are a lot of people, those are not very attractive, but they are the leading personalities in the film industry. So what is your skill? What is your talent? Identify that. Once you identify that, you work on it, you progress on it, you will get your success. Whatever it is, never lose your identity for anything. Don't trade your identity for your success.